new in. New in. New in is mean hospitalization. New is mean enter. In is mean the hospital. So this mean new is mean enter or entrance or insert, right? In is mean hospital. This means you enter to the hospital, right? So in here they say hospitalization, and we say in Japanese like new in. But when you enter to the hospital, it means that you get ill or you get hurt something, and you want to get good, better. You want to get your health recovery, so you go to the hospital. They say new in, right? Not just enter and you don't get hurt anything. Does not mean like that. And as you see here, we had the example like 私の父は先月から入院しています。私の父は先月から入院しています。Which means my father has been hospitalized since last month. My father has been hospitalized since last month. 私の父 is mean father, and 私の is mean my father. 私の父 is mean my father. And 先月 is mean last month. から is mean from last month. 入院してます is mean hospitalized. That mean this case not mean that first you have the two meaning. The first meaning that mean if you get hurt and your health is poor or get not good, so you go to the hospital and you sleep in the hospital from last month or since last month, and now you also stay in the hospital. This they also call 入院してます. But in some cases, it means that you just got hurt something and you go to the hospital and the doctor gives you some medicine, and after that you go back home. But 1 week you have to go to the hospital 1 time or 2 times per week. So in a case like this, they also say 入院, right? 入院してます. This means you have to go to the hospital and come back home. Go to the hospital and come back home. Or another case, it just like at the last moment I explained that you go to the hospital and you sleep in the hospital until now. They also call 入院してます. Okay. So the next we use the words 輸出入. 輸出入 is mean export and import. 出is mean something get out, right? In new is mean something get in, but you is mean that export, and that mean that you bring something in and out. So in the case like this, they say 輸出入 is mean you export, you bring something out and you get something in. So this means import and export. I see here we have the example like 輸出入管理は大事な仕事です。輸出入管理は大事な仕事です. It means export and import control is important. 管理 is mean control, and 輸出入 is mean import and export. 大事な仕事 大事 is mean important. 仕事 is mean job. So this mean is important job. So in the truth that you have to control the export and import. If you already have the goods or you already have the product, you do need to import, right? So that's important. If you import that, you impact the price or the cost in your country, so you have to control. It means that control is important job. 入れる is mean put in or to put in. And in here we have the example like 新しい漢字の本を手に入れました。新しい漢字の本を手に入れました。It means I got a new kanji book. I got a new kanji book. 新しい漢字の本 is mean new kanji book. 新しい is mean new. Kanji is mean kanji. Japanese kanji. And no hon is mean the book of new kanji. Right. And teni ilemasa is mean you put in your hand. So this means you got a new kanji book. Teni ilemashita. This means you put in your hand. That means you got a new kanji book. Hide is mean enter or enter to the some place. 先月から大学に入りました。先月から大学に入りました。It means I entered university from last month. Or you can say like I entered university since last month. 大学に入りました。大学 means the place, right? The university. And ni is mean the particle that to explain, to show you that where, right? So 大学に is mean in to the university. 入りました is mean you enter to the university. So they say 大学に入りました。Or if you just finish from the secondary school, you just say 高校に入りました。This means you enter to the high school.